akan sini ke atas sikit terus. Ada kopi shop.
Satu slab atau satu slab konkrit RC reinforced konkrit dengan besi-besi di dalam telah jatuh dan terhempap dan menggorek dan mencungkil satu lubang begitu besar. Saya rasa ini akan makan masa bagian yang kita kena tutup besi. So sekurang-kurangnya kita perlukan tengok 12 jam lah sebelum mereka boleh buat kerja-kerja, sambung balik bekalan air sebenarnya dan juga itu elektrik dan juga itu jalan. So saya rasa kita harap besok lah. Besok petang kita harap boleh pulihkan. Besok petang. Tapi PB telah cakap bahawa mereka telah sambung 90% bekalan. Hanya tinggal 10% dan kita cubalah. Kita upaya untuk melakukan. Tapi selepas semua ini siap, dia perlu 8 jam untuk sambung balik kerja. So itu sebab saya cakap mungkin kita harap besok malam. So nasib baik kita mula, kita tak mahu tunggu itu kerja penurunan besi-besi yang tergantung. Kita mula kerja dulu. So tapi walau macam mana pun saya rasa kerana masa-masa demikian kita kena berhati-hati lah. Lebih lagi bila ada satu laporan ada seorang yang hilang, kita kena berhati-hati. Kita ke tempat belum ada apa-apa tanda lagi. Tapi kerana bila dia jatuh dan dia menggorek dan mengukir itu tanah keluar itu begitu dalam sekali. Ada orang cakap mungkin sampai berapa meter lah. How many feet so far?
Now it's about 1 meter.
So mungkin sampai 5 meter lah. Mungkin sampai 5 meter dalam. So kita harap sahaja lah. Ini hanya boleh berdoa bahawa tak ada apa-apa dalam lagi. Kita akan kita akan cari apa-apa lagi. Tapi kita hanya boleh berdoa saja. Itu sebab mereka kena berhati.
Kerja di bahagian atas belum lagi siap. Jadi kerja di bahagian bawah diteruskan. Tidak mengundang apa-apa risiko.
Ya, tentu itu ada risiko. Jadi yang saya sebut semalam bahawa tapi semua orang sedang melihatlah. Saya mengikut itu pemandu bahawa atas itu beam itu agak kukuh lah. So mengikut dia cakap kemungkinan ada apa-apa masalah tidaklah begitu tinggi. Tapi ada juga. Tapi itulah risiko. Tapi adakah kita nak tunggu sampai habis bila hakisan air di bawah, kita boleh lihat dia sekian lama hakis lagi kosong bawah. Tapi dia takut ganggu itu masjid warisan sana. Dia tak boleh hilang masjid ni. Kita kena jaga itu bangunan masjid dan juga bangunan-bangunan warisan lain. So itu sebab kita kena cuba atasi masalah besar.
Kelewatan kerja-kerja ni disebabkan
bukan kerana dia nak kita sepatutnya boleh start untuk hari pertama, tapi kerana kita nak turunkan itu benda-benda yang tergantung atas menara UMNO. Jadi lepas orang tengok bahawa dia rasa itu agak kukuh, itulah sebabnya mereka cakap kita akan berhati-hati, was-was. Semua ada orang ke pandang atas untuk jaga-jaga dan kita bersyukur sekarang tak ada apa-apa yang dia di belakang. So yang pentingnya lah sekarang kita ada dua masalah. Adakah kita nak tunggu sampai air besar pecah dalam tanah? So adakah kita tunggu sampai tanah hati ini? Jadi tengok tanah dekat sana kosong. Yang ini akan menjelaskan bangunan dekat sana. So itu pun air.
The soil movement underneath will affect.
You're talking about not hollow already. No? You see the soil is not hollow already. So this soil erosion. This is a very old building.
The fact that the building might.
Yeah, I mean the mosque. This is the It's a very old heritage mosque, heritage building. So you got to also consider that. But at the same time, we are taking calculated risk lah. I mean, you want to be 100%, you wait for them to take down everything. That will take you probably days, maybe a week. You want to wait, you cannot wait. And then after that, number two is that the supply of water, the road, the main road, they want to get back to normal. So of course, the people being just saying that it's okay, but you are having somebody looking up all the time lah, and then you are looking up all the time to make sure everything is okay. So if there is, then you all run for cover lah, so to say. But as I say, we have to get things back to normal, or else you want to wait a week. I think by that time the building may have collapsed already because of the water, or the severe water leakage. So we decided yesterday that after hearing the assessment that it is quite stable, that we must start work immediately. That's why we remove all the debris. We can, even despite the heavy vibration, nothing happened. Yesterday was the most heaviest vibration. That was a test, but nothing happened. So I think the worst is over lah. Because that would, if anything happened, that will happen then. But I think nothing happened.
So you are saying that by tomorrow night everything will be restored.
Hopefully lah.
Hopefully lah.
The road also.
Road also lah.
I'm talking about the road.
Road lah.
Hopefully by the road.
It's open to the
Yes.
traffic lah.
If the road is available, then the water actually must be resolved. No, how can you? You're not going to let them to dig out again. So by tomorrow night lah. Go by tomorrow night rather lah. By tomorrow night lah.
10 p.m.
Hope lah. Because now we are hoping by today, but then we saw the RC, we saw the reinforced concrete, the C-bar. That's why we are going to use the gas cutter to cut through. That was unexpected. You know, for that I think we can start really repairing the pipe.
The concrete was brought down together with the
Fell together. Dig a 5-meter hole.
So far not really. So far.
the depth.
I think around 3 meters.
3 meter already, roughly.
So yeah, maybe we should
More than
start
10 feet already.
meters going.
More than 10 feet.
There could be another 2 meters going.
This year we put 10 p.m. lah. Hopefully lah.
No lah, by tomorrow.
By tomorrow night.
Midnight lah.
Tomorrow night, midnight.
lah. Hopefully by tomorrow midnight lah. Things can get back to normal. But I think they are working as fast as they can. And that's why we decided we don't want to wait. That's why we decided yesterday evening to start. Dah you tahu lah, kita buat arahan. Kita buat satu satu risiko terkira. Risiko terkira, calculated risk. Bahawa ia boleh berjalan, tapi yang saya rasa yang paling bahaya sebenarnya bila kita buat itu
Digging.
what you call it, boring. We bore through, jadi ada banyak gegaran kuat. Yang itu kita takut ini akan menyebabkan yang ada benda-benda jatuh, tapi tak ada. So seperti yang kita kira itu akan jatuh lah.
So siang sampai saat ini bekalan air sudah berapa peratus?
90%.
Bekalan air. Yang tu elektrik kan? Elektrik tak ada jejas.
Electric, I think
Tenaga kita dia.
that's tenaga. Tenaga berapa?
Tenaga ada.
Bandar Raja Town je ada 12 kan.
Tentu ada lah. Tapi hari ini hari cuti. So nasib baik tak begitu teruk. Tapi kita mau hari Isnin kuliah seperti biasa. Hari kerja dia kuliah seperti biasa.
Soalan ni tapi berkenaan dengan bencana bukan di kawasan ini, berkenaan dengan pengumuman Cik Azman yang Kerajaan Negeri akan bantu rumah-rumah.
Ya.
So Kerajaan Negeri dah dapat figure belum? Berapa jumlah?
Itu yang saya nak umumkan. So periksa dan cek. Dan Kerajaan Negeri selalu pergi datang sini pantau lah. Dia satu hari saya datang 3-4 kali.
Yalah.
Semua tahu lah. Kadang-kadang tak jumpa you pun sekarang.
Yalah, kita yang lagi kuat dari saya.
Janganlah macam tu. Saya cakap kadang-kadang tak jumpa.
Ya.
Tapi saya mau jumpa lebih saja. Tak salah kan?
Boleh tak salah kita kawan.
Tadi cakap ada orang cakap bukan itu saya tolak serta orang
Ada orang dulu. Ada banyak siap.
maka
Yang cakap itu agak kukuh ialah itu mereka yang akan turun. Dia cakap itu dia kata dia saya dia solid lah. Terus pasal ni engineers akan Rajan and Ang, the most important is the vibration yesterday when we did the boring. So that was, it's very, you can feel the vibration on the ground, and that's what we were worried that it will cause the thing to drop, but it didn't drop. So yesterday, the boring was so heavy, vibration was so heavy, nothing happened. I think it's quite solid in that sense.
When we said solid, now what does it mean?
It means to be solidly hooked on to that support there. Because the thing is like that, it went down. Okay, the top one fell off already. Now left only half of it. So the one when you talk about the something that's it's supposed to support 100%, no, it only support less than 50%. What is remaining left? Or maybe less than 30%. Definitely should be able to support, isn't it? Because now the weight that's supposed to support is reduced by 70 to 80%. You know what I mean? So it should be quite solid there, even though it's hanging like that. But when it's like that, it can support. Like that also, it can support, no problem. That's why they are saying that it looks solid, because the load that's supposed to take is now reduced by 70 to 80%. So it should be solid. That's why when you look at the vibration, there was no adverse impact. So it was a calculated risk, but we don't want to wait. I want to save the buildings.
When they will remove the beam by this.
Yeah, they are trying to move it step by step. This beam, no, we are not open to traffic until we are not open to traffic unless they remove the beam. So we only open sections of it. This one must be moved lah, or else okay.
They are cutting the stick. Now they are secure on the beam, meaning
They need another 2 days.
no, now they're cutting by stick. I think
But today finish. So I think next time lah.
How many feet to the beam cutting the feet?
no. Because they attach to the beam, so they have to use the gas to cut the mother after that they already secure. So you go for and slowly cut.
So I think, as I said, we will not open the road to traffic until all this is taken down. Because it may not happen now, but maybe 2-3 weeks later the thing will drop. So that one must be cleared first. So likely they say that you likely will be clear by today. They almost finished today. Only today and tomorrow lah. That's why I think by Monday, hopefully.
Monday.
No, we are saying that hopefully tomorrow back to normal by midnight lah. But Monday we want to open to traffic. Monday we want to open it back to traffic, so that people can go and do their business. Still got a lot of makan shop, nice makan shops. Cannot eat my favorite makan food here. All the makan shop, all that cannot eat. So and then they want to buy their favorite shoes, the bata, cannot buy. Okay. Yeah.
Saya menunggu figure.